this thing loves it! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Reet YouTube channel, to another episode. We're down here at Winton Raceway for the first time in a long time. I think it's been almost 4 years since we've been here at Winton, and yeah, we've managed to make it back here. We've got the beautiful AU Ute and the trusty 32. Yeah, we're gonna be shredding, taking some passengers, getting up to all sorts of interesting things. Both rocking the can size. This thing, if you haven't seen, the RB20. Ooh, that's an RB20. A Neo RB20. So it's VCT, bottom end wise. We put turbo crank rods and pistons in it. And Hyper Gear turbo, Ross trigger kit, Phoenix cooling. That's it. Makes like 330 kilowatt, revs to 8,500 RPM for the time being. Thing rips. We're gonna be clicking 6th gear around the sweeper. Anyway, should be fun. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. It's Winton Raceway, baby. We're back. We're strapped in. First time driving the RB Ute. Let's go see what that 20 det life is all about.
How long has it been since you've drifted Winton?
It would have been before COVID, I reckon.
Never been here before, so I'm very excited. I'm keen.
It just keeps revving. This thing loves it! Holy shit!
What a beast! This is sick!
I'll let it cool down a little bit. Found the lock stop. We just broke the tail shaft.
Oh.
Or the gearbox.
Oh no.
Yeah, we just broke the 3rd gear.
Oh. Are you serious?
Yeah.
I am depressed.
Let's leave.
The vibes are gone.
The vibes are so gone.
Just they're through the ground.
Literally, 3rd gear is through the ground. I'm defeated. Sorry, Jason. 3rd gear is gone in both gearboxes. Some might say I'm a little rough on the gear, but I was being respectful, driving it like a girl, some would say, and I was set up for failure, I reckon. Probably no oil in either gearbox, I don't know. But very strange. I was definitely being pretty soft on the gear, some would say. But anywho, enough of that. I was looking forward to shredding in the AU2. She was feeling premium in those couple laps we got. But yeah, maybe next time But right now I'm gonna go see what cars are on track. It's getting later in the day and it is hot. Cars are braking, but we're gonna go see if we can get some passenger laps in, something cool, something unique, and it should be a hoot. Should be a hoot, so let's go do that. We found our first victim, no other than the beautiful BA Falcon. But this one's a little bit special. Come have a look over here. We're here with Ross, the driver. G'day, mate. G'day, guys. So I don't know if you can see the little switch there. So when he gets to full throttle, switch comes on, right? So when he gets to full throttle, switch comes on. Then come back here. Oof! Ganas! So full throttle. How much NOS?
75 shot.
75 shot. So is that 75 horsepower? Is that how it works?
That's it.
And you can feel it.
It's enough. Honestly, it's enough to smoke third gear, and for me
Alright.
it works.
Well, let's jump in. Let's see what she can do. I need NOS.
I need NOS.
One of these big
I
ones.
need one of these. One of the big ones.
Amateurs don't use
Just
NOS.
don't use nitrous oxide. I've seen the way you drive. You gotta have it.
Cheers to the ride, mate. That was heaps of fun. Ooh!
Get the label.
Could we have a hit?
Nah, so they actually put some chemical in it to prevent substance abuse.
Yeah, and
Different to medical grade.
Yeah, there's no fun. If you're watching at home, this is all you need for a good time. BA Falcon, list your mods real quick.
BC coilovers, manual swaps, tuned. Apparently it makes 180 kilowatt, cut and shut knuckles.
Seat, steering wheel,
stuff.
cage.
And an OS kit.
Yeah, give us a look at this contraption. So, is this a wet spray?
Yeah, so red is petrol.
Yeah.
Yeah, nitrous. 75 shot.
Yeah, right. And those solenoids just spray the right amount of fuel and air or some shit.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
We'll go see what else we can jump in. Van Lofts S15. Oof.
I don't do this YouTube stuff.
You want to show us what she's made of or what?
The old stock SR.
The stock SR? You're going to hark it as hard as he did?
Oh, we'll see.
Street car.
Fuck yeah.
Has it still got reg?
Nice.
Mod list, what are we working with?
Stock motor, stock turbo, 12-pounder boost. Just GK Tech, RCA, knuckle adapters for lock and welded.
Coilovers.
Oh, it's got a 4.3 and 6-speed, so the gearing is real short, which is good.
Yeah.
Makes up for the lack of power.
Yeah. Standard passenger seat.
Gotta have the
seat.
stock seat for the fatties.
Is it tuned?
Nah, not since I've owned it. I've done like 10,000 Ks and I reckon more than half of that is been on the track since I've owned it. So, best car I've ever had.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, this thing seems to be a very good setup, very reliable and lots of seat time.
Yeah. Apparently the motor's got low comp too.
Yeah. you very much. Oh,
Fuck, that was awkward.
Shit, I'm gonna leave now. I found another victim. Who do we have here?
There you go, fellas.
Hey! We are here with Mr. Surge.
It's fucking hot out here, bro. It's 31 degrees, man. Then we got the heater, the VQ.
Mate, you're basically a pro. We're in the Surge mobile. Let's see what it's all about.
He told you he's broken 2 cars today?
Oh, fuck. He's got to drive it home
Watch out for
too.
your gear, bro.
I didn't think that one through.
Oh shit!
Oh, fuck.
Surge, what happened?
We're in the hay, brother.
Oh, we got another victim.
Yes, it is.
How you going?
What's going on?
What motor we got?
SR, bro.
Sounds good to me. That's a crispy SR setup. Alright, so here we are. What was your name again?
Danny.
Danny, how you going? So what's your story?
I've been in the
Give us
scene for like 12 years, mate.
Yeah, okay.
Only recently just got back into it.
Yeah.
After a couple of years off building this thing, and yeah.
Yeah, cool. There's some big ass tubs.
It's all the clearance. all the full radium, everything.
Oof, I like the cover. That's nice. That's beautiful. It saves having like a full-on firewall in the back. We did a similar thing with Jason's Barrow wagon. Yeah, it's sick. It's all very nice, man. What were you in?
Still S13.
Yeah.
Still S13. R200 from the Skyline, Skyline shafts. Want to go GDR, but it's expensive these days.
Yeah. Oh, she's making some steam.
Yeah.
She goes good. Awesome. Well,
Glad you had fun, bro.
thanks for the ride, man.
Anytime. Take it
Hopefully
easy.
see you at more of the Keep Reet events. Here we are back at the factory with the 2 broken automobiles behind me. Maybe I shouldn't drive these cars ever again, but luckily we got good sponsors like SpeedTech that are going to jump on board so we can get some of these RB close ratio dog gears inside of them. And yeah, that's it for this one. Unfortunately, we didn't get to film the epic AU video like we had planned. Sometimes these things happen. That's drifting. It's in the way you drive, you got a heavy foot.
I've seen the way you drive. You got a heavy foot.
Coming up, bit of a friendly reminder, we have round 2 of our Drift Championship, 9th of March, Calder Park Raceway. First round, it was epic. Saturday, regular drift competition format. It's absolutely epic. All the action's jammed into just a few hours on Saturday afternoon. So I hope to see all of you down there, 9th of March. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. We'll see you in the next one.